Like, it has finally happened. I'm just coming from work. Look at my door. You can see. You can see it has been locked.
Hello my people, how na dey? This video una watch just now, put am for una make una lis ten to wetin happen to this our brother. Una know say this thing e dey happen well for most people wey dey this abroad, wey be say you dey find house dey go, you no see, you come see somebody wan tell you say e wan comot for the country, maybe e dey go like Germany, Austria, and na Spain e dey, or na Italy e dey, you know, something like that. So you now you come tell am say okay, make you just enter, you understand? You as a black, you wan just enter, then now you go dey pay this person money. So na this person go dey give the landlord according to wetin happen for here and wetin me I understand for here. The person wey be say e dey this house before, e dey Germany, so e come put this our brother for inside there. So this person wey dey Germany, e don tell this person wey put for inside house say this house problem dey. You know say if problem dey for house, wey even though say you buy am on a rent, e go dey for court. You understand? Now when judge don talk everything, now you get the right, now the person wey get the house get the right to walk you out. Before then, nobody fit walk you out. You go dey there, then go dey go court. Sometimes e dey take 2 years, 3 years, depends, you know, depends of how they take do that court of a thing. So this brother wey be say dey this video, he no know wetin dey go on. He continue to dey pay the person wey dey Germany, wey be say na him give them house. He continue to dey pay every month money. That one just dey take money, free money, and he no dey pay the person wey get house again. Because you know say if they don carry court, if they don carry case go court, the person wey be say get house, e no dey collect any money from your hand till when judge go decide, you know. So now wetin come happen? They come enter, they come this their house, come lock am. You know say when judge don talk am, and judge don talk am, e don finish. No be lawyer or some people no know between lawyer and judge. Now when judge just talk am kpeke, na dem come ogbalegbe come lock the door. You know, everything wey dey inside they go lock and put. You no go fit enter. They go put something. You now see wetin you even show the video wetin they put. You no fit go in. If you put your key, nobody go fit call because they don block am. You no fit enter. So he come dey for steps. So now he come dey talk and say even the person wey be say that they pay the money, e not tell them wetin dey go on. Most people they know they talk. You go there. You dey think everything is okay. One day you just say you want, maybe you go out, or maybe you dey inside. Ogbalegbe will just come. They will just tell you say you get maybe you just dey come and they want lock this. The thing go surprise you. Say wetin come dey happen? Na my house now. I dey inside. Wetin dey happen? And you dey pay rent to that person. That one just dey collect free money. E no concern. E no dey for the country again. E just dey collect money. You know. You wey be say you dey for inside. You come dey for problem. Like say this our brother now. He no be person wey dey work. Or person wey no get money. As dem just lock that door, now e don finish. You go sleep outside, and cold dey no be small thing. E no concern anybody. You see. So all these things, most people they know wetin really dey go on. Na because of say no house. Because so you go get your money, they no give you house to rent. That be the problem for abroad where we dey. If you go look at this our brother now, maybe get house for Naija. Abroad, e no easy for anybody. You no be anybody mate too. Now make am some people then they buy house and they will buy for year, because you fit buy house for year if you get better work. Why not? Even though say you no fit pay the money finish, they fit sell am, then the balance then go give you back. It dey happen. You understand? Because to rent house for abroad for you, e no easy at all. Sometimes one room you with somebody go dey share am. You with somebody go dey share am. Maybe una be 2 sef or 3 wey go dey share one room together. Just all in the name of say house no dey to rent, because if you go meet agent, they no go give you. That make am some people then they pass through Oyibo, maybe they get Oyibo friends. You understand? That Oyibo friend go come help them, you know, something like that, to get house. That's not easy for abroad though. I pity am anyway. Later na 2 video. Later now they come ogbalegbe come because they want me they pack their thing comot. Anything wey be say na their own. So now they come open the door. So you come the video round, they pack something, they comot. Now where you go start, nobody know. Maybe you can stay for hotel for sometimes before you go come see another place to go stay. And if you not get house for abroad, and you not fit go dey stay train station, na go buy you where you want go dey stay. na this bed and breakfast wey be say not too dear, you no understand, or where you take stay for some time before you go fit gather yourself. Maybe you come find some black abeg una get one room to rent abroad. E no easy, my people. Make I put the video for una make una watch. E no easy. I know say most people una don still pass through wetin this our brother pass through. Even some of them say money no dey to even go rent, e go sleep for there till day break. Una bye my people.
Like, it has finally happened. I'm just coming from work. Look at my door. You can see. You can see. It has been locked. It has been locked. I cannot get inside. Just take a look at it. This is my bag, my shoe. My door has been locked by the police. It has been locked by the police. The thing is that our old takers, some of them, our old Nigerian people in this show, they are very, very wicked. This man, the man that owns this my house that I'm living, the man is not paying for years now. He never told us that it's inside the house. He never said anything. Now they have locked us outside, and we are paying rent to him. He's living in Germany, and he's not paying the rent of the house. My things are still inside. Now I need to go and look for a hotel. Yeah, book a hotel now to sleep for this night. My things are inside the house. My things are inside. Everything proper, everything is inside. This is one of the problems we face in Europe here. We are coming to Europe. This is one of the problems. It's one of the problems. Now I have to go and pay money to sleep What if I don't have money? I'll sleep outside. You see the problem? You see the problem? This way. So they finally opened the house. The police and the bank finally agreed to open the house today, Monday, so I can remove our things. You can see the iron door. That's the man there opening the door. So you can see. Just waiting so I can enter and take our things. Just take a look at my room. Look at the way they scattered it. Even my second phone, I could not find it. They stole it.
Vosotros habéis volcado la ventana para trabar la ventana, ahora ya no se puede abrir. Entonces, claro, si no podían pasar, pues lo que hacen es.
Just take a look at the way they turn my room upside down. They turn my room upside down. So I'm here now to take my things out. You can see, I'm here to take my things out. I really turn my room upside down. It's crazy.
La cama la tuvieron que sacar para poder trabar la ventana. Para trabajar en la ventana para que no se pueda abrir, no tuvieron que quitar la cama.